The gift of water, a blessing from Allah. In a small village near a flowing river lived a kind hearted boy named Hamza. His mother always reminded him, Hamza, water is a nemat from Allah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once said, don't waste water even if you have flowing river. But Hamza didn't fully understand how could water ever run out. One hot afternoon, after playing outside, Hamza left the tap running while making wudu for salah. The water rushed down the drain unused. His little sister Aisha watched quietly. That night, Hamza had a dream. He stood in a vast dry desert under a burning sun. A weak voice called out, Hamza, help me. He turned and saw an old man with cracked lips, holding an empty clay pot. I walked from miles, but the well is dry. My children thirst because the river vanished. Hamza's heart pounded. How the river was fully yesterday. A glowing droplet of water appeared, shining like a pearl from Jannah. It spoke softly. I was your wasted wudu water. Had you used me wisely, I could have quenched this man's thirst. Allah say in the Quran, we made every living thing from water. Yet you threw me away. Suddenly Hamza saw scenes flash before him. A mother in Somalia walking from hours to find a sip of water. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sunnah using just one mud of water for wuzu. The angel recording his waste as a sin. Tear rolled it down Hamza's cheeks. Astaghfirullah, I will never waste water again. Hamza woke up with a start. The sound of dripping water echoed from the bathroom. He rushed to turn it off, his taqwa swelling in his chest. He fixed leaky faucet with his father, used a small jug for wuzu, just like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught his friends the dua for rain. One Friday, the Imam praised Hamza in his khutbah. A boy who saves water saves the Ummah's future. Moral of the story, water is a amana from Allah. Waste is ingratitude. Conservation is Iman. Remember, dear children, when you save water, the angels say Ameen to your deed. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.